Welcome to another Miss T Idea video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here, welcome back. And today on this video, I am collaging. And this is a quiet Saturday evening. Hey, grab some paper. You want to collage with me. Yesterday I made this. And I used, I used a piece of this paper here. I like this paper because it is a good cardstock. It's a good weight. I like the weight. And what I did was I just started collaging on top of this. I like to do these. I like to paint on them. I get my paint pens and I like to paint on them. I like to make stuff out of them. So I was sitting back yesterday and I started, if you notice, there's drawing in here. There's stencil writing in here. And there's gold paint. This is the gold paint. You know, I just put that on with the brush. I keep rubbing my hand, y'all. I just put some lotion on. I'm sorry. And what I do is, I just lightly take the brush. Yep. Bop, 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 bop. And go over it. I think I might have went overboard. I hope you can see good. And I'm going to cut this. I'm going to sew around it. I'm going to cut this out in designs that I can use in my junk journal. That's what I'm going to do. I just love the weight of this paper. All right, I'm going to put this aside. And I'm going to show you the ones that I've been working on. And I just leave them right here in this book until I get ready to remove them. Let's see. This is a thick book, y'all, so I have to do something with this paper. I don't mind. I just sit back and just start taking pieces of old books, magazines. You know, I just want a whole bunch of different stuff for it won't really look like what it was. Make something different out of collaging, putting different pieces from different kinds of books here, and then when you cut it out, you really can't tell what you made it out of. Matter of fact, I just did this and you know. This is another one. I like to color that. Sometimes I leave pieces and I might cover it. But right now it's open. It's open for my suggestion. I'll take my pencil color, my color pen in a minute. If I don't like it, I can just cover it. See? I can color it in any Zen pattern that I want. You know, I want to do a little mixed media. Put some fabric in it. Pieces of fabric I have on my desk. I'm going to do a little sewing on it. A little masterboarding. These things here, your collage, you know, I can make a book cover out of it. Something, what they say, something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Do what you want to do. Today is Saturday. I got my bottles of water on deck. Sitting in front of my window, I can see everything that's going on outside. I got my TV to the right of me. When I'm not recording, I'm listening to a podcast or something I don't really have to look at. But I enjoy listening to it. And I went outside. I had some coffee. I hate to throw the coffee away. You know, we coffee dye papers. I hate to throw the coffee away. A lot of times I put it in my refrigerator. But I just had a little bit in the pot after this morning, and I poured it in a pan, and I started coffee dyeing papers in the outside. I got the papers outside. This is not going to be a long video. I need to finish showing you what I want to show you. Okay, let's move on. I don't want to, but I need to move on because I need to show you the rest of the stuff. This is another collage paper. It's in this book. Yeah, you know, everybody have some books or some paper that they're not going to use. I can never use all of this, but I like them. So, it's another collage, and it's just papers from different sources. I sit down while I'm watching TV or whatever and just glue it on. And a lot can be done with this. Okay, this is one I started on, I guess. So, I think I'm caught up. And like I said, sometimes I find a nice pattern and I paint it. I'm collaging on these cards here. And when I say collaging, that don't mean that this card is finished. It can be. It all depends on what you want to do. Let's see. I have pieces that I've done on the side of me, pieces that I'm using. This card here, my sister used to sell paparazzi jewelry. And this is some cards. So this was this. So you could turn old cards into something new. So that's what I'm doing. You don't always have to run out and buy something. Use what you have. And I'm just sticking, this is papers that I painted, and I'm just sticking them to here. Matter of fact, this is paper that I inked a long time ago. This was beautiful. It was like a digital. You take this. I'm using some Aleene's glue. I use some stick glue as well. It just depends on what I'm using at the time. Might have to get another bottle, but not right now. It's still got a lot in there. Just gotta get it down. I lost the top, so okay. Need a pen. I need something that I can stick in here to make it come out. Because I lost the top, it dry up in there. And so you may have to manipulate it. You know. And collagen. I'm recycling those cards. I can't do anything else with those cards but recycle them or throw them away. And you know I'm not going to throw them away. Because this is a brand. This is people's brand. What I did was on the back, I just covered it up for writing space. You can stick that in a journal and you can write on that. That's what I did. And when I get through doing what I'm going to do to them, I'll just sew around it. That's it. Or I could cut it in half if I want it smaller. I might just do that. I might cut it in half. Because I have a thing that will hold these cards. But I got to make sure that they're a certain size. So, that's what I'm going to do. This right here. This will hold cards. This is like, I guess, trading card size card. Trading card size. Or, what is those other cards? ATC? I gotta figure out what size this is. And I actually put a little cards in there. I love cards. I love cards. I love cards. I love making cards. It may be weird to some people, but I love cards. I like the size of cards. I like the way they feel in my hand. You know, it is what it is. Okay. I'm also mass making some stuff here. I'm not gonna bring it out right now. I'm tempted. I'm tempted to, but I'm not. I think I'll start on another one of these. First thing I done was I used my glue stick and I glued. I started from the back. This is where the paper, the writing paper gonna be. That's gonna write on. pocket to make sure I come all the way to the end, but if I don't, I know I'm going to sew around it anyway. I can make frames with these cards, window frames. You cut out the center. You can make picture frames. For my junk journal, I can make a frame that go on the front of my junk journal. Let me show you one of them, but this is a whole nother show. But I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. It's a picture frame. This is a frame right in the back of that. And I have some already done with the window pane with the plastic. I took the plastic from some mailers that I got in the mail with stuff in it, and I took that plastic and I stuck it in there. Isn't that cute? All right, this is another show, but I'm just letting you know that they could be done with this. And this look like, let me see the size of it. It look like 5 by 7, huh? Let's see. Actually, it's about 5 by 6. Yeah. But we have cutters, scissors, whatever. We can make it. If you're making your stuff, you can make it whatever size you want to make it. That's the thing about crafting. You do what you want to do. And don't sweat it. Always put the paper on the back. Cover the back first, because that's the writing space. I was thinking that, you know, I can make a whole cover for a journal with this. With two of these on a spine. Got you a cover. So I don't want to prolong this video. This was this. This can be this. This is just collaging on whatever you have. This could be an index card. Collage on it. On any and all the scraps you have. Junk mail scraps, and any scraps that you have, you can collage. Miss T Ideas, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Come back and see me again. I appreciate you being here. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much. You can collage with what you have. You can craft with what you have. You don't have to go out and buy all kind of stuff if you want to start crafting. Miss T Ideas, see you next time on the next video. Bye.